Welcome to our previous year question session on data structures. We will tackle real PYQs from top exams like GATE, ISRO, and UGC NET. Mastering concepts, previous year questions, and strategy is key to selection. Question 1. Which of the following is not a basic operation performed on a data structure? The options are encryption, insertion, deletion, and none of above. And I say first try yourself, then look towards correct option. Here, the correct answer is A, encryption. Basic operations include insertion and deletion, while encryption is not typically considered a fundamental data structure operation. Question 2, GATE 2021. Which data structure is used for recursion internally? The correct answer is A, stack. When a recursive function is called, the system uses the call stack to track execution. Recursion works on the last in, first out, or LIFO principle. Question 3, ISRO 2020. Which operation is performed at the rear end in a queue? The options are deletion, traversal, insertion, and searching. And again, I say first try yourself, then look towards correct option. The correct answer is C, insertion. In a queue, insertion is known as the on-queue operation and occurs at the rear end, while deletion occurs at the front, following the first in, first out FIFO rule. Question 4, BARC 2018. Which data structure is best suited for dynamic memory allocation? The answer is B, linked list. Linked lists are excellent for dynamic memory allocation, as they do not require contiguous memory and can grow or shrink as needed at runtime, unlike static arrays. Question 5, GATE 2020. Which traversal of a binary search tree, BST, gives a sorted output? The correct option is B, in order. In order traversal visits nodes in the order left root right, ensuring that the output sequence from a BST is always in ascending order. Question 6, ISRO 2019. Which algorithm is used to find the shortest path in a weighted graph? And again, I say first, try yourself, then look towards correct option. The answer is C, Dijkstra algorithm. Dijkstra's algorithm efficiently finds the single source shortest path in graphs that have non-negative edge weights, using a greedy approach with a priority queue. Question 7, RSSSB 2018. Identify the nonlinear data structures among linked list, stack, and tree. The correct option is B, only two tree. Linear data structures like linked lists and stacks store elements sequentially. Nonlinear structures like trees follow a hierarchical or interconnected pattern. Question 8, GATE 2018. Which of the following is a complete binary tree? The answer is B, heap. A complete binary tree is one where every level, except possibly the last, is fully filled from left to right. A heap is always a complete binary tree and maintains specific heap properties. Question 9, PSU 2021. AVL tree is a what? The correct answer is B, balanced binary search tree. An AVL tree maintains a balance factor of at most 1, ensuring that the height difference between left and right subtrees is strictly -1, 0, or 1, resulting in fast lookups. Question 10, KVS 2013. Representation of a data structure in memory is known as? The answer is D, storage structure. While data structure refers to the logical model, the storage structure specifies the physical layout and implementation of data elements in the main memory. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this session on previous year questions for data structures was helpful. Keep practicing and good luck with your exams.